Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus is 5G enabled and it is IP68 rated, that makes it water resistant. It is available in Phantom Black, Phantom Silver and Phantom Violet colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display for an immersive viewing experience. With 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, 394 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures faster touch response and smooth action. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The Galaxy S21 Plus comes with a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup with 30x space zoom. It also features a 10-megapixel front dual-pixel camera. The phone lets you record videos at 8K resolution. Powered by Android Pie version 10.0 operating system with 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4800 mAh battery. The box includes handset, USB cable, user manual, eject pin.
This is the box of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. On the front, you just have the name of the phone itself. Let's now open up the box to see what's inside. So this is the S21 Plus. You can take a look at the device. Let's keep it aside for a bit and take out the other things in the box. So this paper box here has the SIM eject tool at the back. Once you open it up, you'll also see the quick start guide, some other documentation, and the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Note that the Galaxy S21 Plus does not ship with a charging adapter or a pair of headphones, and the charging cable is USB Type-C to Type-C, which means that if you buy a power adapter separately, it'll need to have a USB Type-C port. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display. The display supports HDR10+ and has a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate along with Samsung's Eye Comfort Shield technology. This smartphone ships with the Exynos 2100 chipset in India and it has two variants, 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. There's a triple rear camera setup which has a 12-megapixel dual-pixel sensor with an f1.8 lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera with OIS support. There's also a 10-megapixel selfie camera on this phone. The Galaxy S21 Plus has a 4800 mAh battery which supports both wired and wireless charging. This smartphone weighs around 200 grams. The Galaxy S21 Plus ships with One UI 3.1 which is based on Android 11.